I swear to God, if I sneeze one more time, I might actually lose my mind. Welcome to today's vlog. It's summertime, so that means I have allergies. Okay, anyways, today's vlog. Piss me the fuck off. Anyways, today's vlog is just gonna be kind of a cleaning vlog. I think my room is a fucking mess. I went camping over the weekend, so I kind of like destroyed my room. So I kind of have to clean that, and then like, I don't know if you can see, but like a pile of dirty laundry that is now all over the floor. I am fucking coming down my high, so to kind of wake up, I have a peach mango bang. Never tried a bang before in my fucking life. With creatine. Cheers. Cheers. What have I done? Like, this is so good. Like, let me clean up a little bit, and then, yeah, I'll be back. Hello, like 2 hours later, and I'm still not done cleaning my room. Ah! However, /comma, period, we got this. Ooh, I'm not no fucking millionaire, so 2 fucking nugs, good enough for fucking me. Anyways, I'm gonna smoke this bowl real quick, and then, yeah, Miss Girl, I'll spill the tea to all you little boyitos. Okay, I'm back. Yes, I'm still in my car, but now I'm smoking a C. Yes, that's how long I've been in my car. I think I just popped my first phone. Back in the house. Give me a second. So it's not like all the way clean yet. I managed to pick up most of the stuff from the floor. I got like clean clothes on the bed. I just kind of made piles because I started laundry tonight, and that's probably something I'm gonna finish tomorrow. Continuation to tomorrow is just put away my clean shit, kind of like reorganize all this shit I have up here and somehow make it go over there. What is that? This is my chicken Mikey, and he's going to be with me for the remainder of this video. I have been sneezing all fucking day, and I have like, it's like summertime, so my allergies are super bad. I took like 3 allergy pills in the morning, and I've just been constantly just using eye drops, so I don't know. So today is the 8th, so it's my older brother's birthday. It's like midnight already, so by the time y'all see this, I'm gonna be getting fucking drunk. But yeah, I don't really know what to talk about on here because it's been such a really long time since I've been on YouTube. I think the last time I was on YouTube was like 6 years ago, 4 years ago. I don't really know. So much has changed. I look completely different. My hair is different. I look different. That's okay. That's for a whole nother video. But I wanted today's vlog to kind of be, you know, like mellow, chill, laid back, something kind of fun, something kind of funny. Not fun for me because I'm still not done cleaning, and it's been like a really long time. But yeah, hopefully I get the room done tomorrow. Before I get drunk and party. So yeah, thanks for watching this vlog, you guys, and I'll see you guys like on the next one or something. I don't know. Yeah, peace out. Bye.